Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss random point by extended. If you want to create random point in your polygon and polygon in a one part, so it is very important. So please listen carefully this video to end and like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. So let's start. Here is our data, means polygon, and we create random point. For random point we go to vector. After vector we go to research tool and we select here random point in extended. We select here input extend. We select here use current map canvas extended. You select it and you write a number. We write here 20 and after it we run. We close it. You see here 20 number point is created. If you want to change symbology, you right click, go to property and change here your symbology as per your requirement and color. Our random point is generated. If you want to open table, you go to table. Here is random point, 20 random point, and next we create a random point on our selected area. For selected area we go to again vector layer and geometry tool and we select here for next random point. For as a part of random point selected feature, you go to vector and we select here research tool and we select here random point and extended. After it we go to input extended and we select here draw on map canvas. We select it. After selection we select our area. If you want to create a random point on corner and left and right, we select here as a corner. After corner we give a number of point. We give 10 number. After it we run it and close it. You see here your random point is generated on selected area. And if you want to change symbology, right click, go to property and select here symbol color as per your choice, apply and OK. You see here your random point generated selected area and all area. So our process random point by extended completed successfully. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so please help me by subscribe. Thank you for watching video.